Is it Islamically permissible to play the lottery? No. Islamically, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said in Surah Al-Ma'idah, verses 89 and 90, إنما الخمر والميسر والأزلام والأنصاب والأزلام رجس من عمل الشيطان فاجتنبوه لعلكم تفلحون. This verse is very clear that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that gambling, the alcohol, gambling, and serving anything by Allah's name, other than Allah's name, or casting out the arrows, all these things are haram in Islam, and this is the handiwork of shaitan. Keep yourself away from it so that you can be successful. So Quran has made it very clear that the lottery, if it is a lottery, then it is haram. But there is a difference when you are buying something which is the original price is £1, and you bought something and you got the coupon in that, and then you put your name in that, and you put into the box, and the draw was made and your name came up, and you got £1,000 as a gift from that draw. Then this is not lottery, because this is not something you paid extra money to buy that lottery. It is like a coupon given to you, and you just participated in that draws. So that's permissible, inshallah.